tremendous amount of publicity, which is exactly why Officer Carrick's attorneys came here today saying they wanted the case moved out of Charlotte. But the judge basically said there's nowhere else to go. It may be telling that Officer Carrick wasn't in the courtroom, but more than a dozen community and civil rights leaders were. Because Carrick's attorneys argue that all of the publicity surrounding the fatal shooting of Jonathan Ferrell makes it tough for Carrick to get a fair trial here.
Because this community is invested in this issue.
Attorney Mike Green said finding someone who hasn't already made up their mind about the case would be almost impossible. And he referred to the people sitting behind it.
Some of them make up their mind about whether or not because they like law enforcement. Some of them make up their mind just because of the race of the defendant.
And Carrick's other attorney, George Lauren, pointed out that the last time Carrick did come to court, there were real safety concerns.
But in 35 years of being here, I've never seen a criminal defendant leave the courtroom having to walk out with 6 deputy sheriffs, 2, 2, and 2.
But prosecutors argued that moving the trial to another county nearby won't solve the publicity problem. And Judge Robert Irvin agreed, citing national publicity over the last year about officer shootings around the country. And to make his point, he even quoted a song.
Oh, if I settle on the far side of the sea, even there your hand will guide me. I don't see where I can go to get away from the publicity.
Now, Carrick's attorneys did win one small victory today when the judge agreed to allow both sides of attorneys to interview jurors individually about what they've heard about this case and what they may have brought into the jury box with them. The case now is set to begin on July 20th. Reporting live outside the Mecklenburg County Courthouse, Mark Becker, Channel 9 Eyewitness News.
Thanks, Mark. Charlotte-based